Passionate gardener, welcome back again with another video. These are my onions. You can see how strong onions they are. A very strong growth, big stem, long leaves, green leaves, and all are very strong. So I'll tell you today how I have made this strong grown onions. So first come with the planting season. So I planted around early November or end of October, you can choose. So some bulbs I have planted here. Let them in the ground, water them initially and let them sprout. They will build their root system. They will start producing leaves. So at the early stage I have not put any fertilizer on the plants, only water. That's let them grow well in the root system. And next in the March I start fertilizing first time. So I use the Grow More 777 NPK ratio, some balanced fertilizer, because I want more leaves, more strong root system, more growth. This is the growth state. So I did in the mid of March and let them grow. You can see like in 4 weeks time they will grow massive, big strong root system, strong stems, and the few are coming as a flowers. More, remember, more leaves, more bigger onions. So if it is coming flowers, so I'm going to take them up soon. As soon as the flower bit longer, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'll just take them out. So to put the energy back to the onion bulb creation. So and next time I'll be using fertilizer on the around May. So that would be encouraging the growth of the bulbs. So because I'm not expecting any further growth after May or in May, it's more about concentrating the energy back to the bulb and bigger bulbs. So that's going to really help. Other important tip you need to remember is like weeding. You can see my plants are very weed clean. You'll find very few weeds around side. Like probably if I make it closer, you can see one probably solo one. Just after watering, it's easy to take them out. So I did watering this morning, and weeding is very easy if you do it after watering, unless their root system is very strong from weed, and then you can use some tools. So that's weeding is very important, because otherwise most of the energy of the soil will be taken by the weeds and your plants will struggle. So weeding is very key. Water is also like I do maybe every week once, the deep shallow watering. If you don't put shallow watering, light watering, you have to do around twice in a week, depending on again your weather. If it is raining, so you don't have to water much. If it is not raining, you have to water more. So don't let too dry, let it dry, let it be strong, and then water again, let it dry, water again. So keep going the cycle. And at this stage, like I will be using fertilizer only once, and maybe around July I'm expecting to harvest. But yeah, depending on the plant, if the leaves are getting yellow, getting dried out top side, they are bending down, then it's the time to harvest. So I'll share more videos, but stay connected. Hope it's going to helpful to grow your onions and take care of your onions. So I have planted some bulbs here as well, but that's good late. You can see I have done in the February and they're not grown that well. But yeah, so November this, February this. So that's very clearly says like which time is the best to plant them. They will grow further as well, but they took time. So that's the point of this is the early ones, and that will take time. So that's all about it. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And until the next video, happy gardening. I do share videos around the gardening, like I planted onion seeds, the potatoes, and lot more. Lot to share. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening, passionate gardener.